स्ट्रेंजर से बात कैसे शुरू करें इंग्लिश में। इस वीडियो में देखिए एक नेचुरल कॉन्वर्सेशन जो आपको सिखाएगा कॉन्फिडेंट बोलना सिंपल और आसान इंग्लिश में।
Hi, Ria.
Hi, Rahul. How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing great, thanks.
So, tell me something about yourself.
Sure. My name is Ria, I'm 16 years old, and I study in class 11.
Oh, that's nice. I'm Rahul, I'm 17 and I also study in class 11. Where do you live?
I live in Delhi. What about you?
I live in Indore. Have you ever been there?
Not yet, but I've heard it's a beautiful city.
Yes, it's known for clean streets and tasty food.
Sounds yummy. I love street food.
Me too. Do you cook sometimes?
A little bit. I can make Maggie and tea.
That's a great start. I can cook nothing.
Don't worry, you'll learn.
What are your hobbies?
I like painting and listening to music.
Wow, I like music too. Who is your favorite singer?
I love Arijit Singh. What about you?
Same. His songs are so emotional. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play badminton. And you?
I play cricket with my friends every weekend.
That's fun. Do you watch IPL?
Of course. I support CSK.
I support MI. We are rivals now.
Only during matches. What is your favorite subject?
I like English and biology.
I enjoy science and maths.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, especially motivational books.
That's good. Which book do you like most?
I like You Can Win by Shiv Khera. Have you read it?
Not yet, but I will.
Do you like movies?
Yes. I love watching comedy movies.
Same here. Who is your favorite actor?
I like Varun Dhawan.
I like him too. He's very funny. What time do you wake up in the morning?
Around 6:30 a.m. And you?
I try to wake up early, but I usually get up at 7.
That's still okay.
What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become a doctor.
That's a noble dream. I want to become an engineer.
Wow, both are good careers.
It was really nice talking to you, Ria.
Same here, Rahul. It was fun.
Let's talk again tomorrow.
Sure. See you then.
Bye.
Bye, take care.